My friend Gaffer, I wanted to talk to you about I Am Strong. So, I Am Strong was originally created in collaboration with Dr. Mindy Pelz. She had reached out to me and asked me if I could create or formulate 3 different essential oils that were supportive of the female cycle, and specifically the fasting cycle that is found in her book, Fast Like a Girl. But the truth of the matter is, if we only look at this as an essential oil for the female cycle, then we're missing the boat, right? The beauty of I Am Strong, the oils that are found in this, is it's a very energizing blend, the number one oil being grapefruit. But one of the ways I really like to use this is specifically right over this lymph area on the sides, right? I like it on the sides of my neck, and the reason why, and I'll even come down, and oftentimes it's really good for the thyroid area, and I'll just kind of gently rub that in. First of all, I love the aroma. It's energizing for me. It has some different spices in it that really help us to be able to start to break through barriers. Or if you're just having a day where you're like, wow, I need to be able to move forward, this is a great oil for that. It's a great lymphatic stimulant because of that grapefruit. We also have coriander in this. We got black pepper, a little bit of cinnamon in this, and a little bit of pink pepper. If you're not used to pink pepper has an amazing aroma to it, but also can be very calming for the mind. So we get this stimulation and stress relief at the same time. So I Am Strong can help minimize feelings of stress, minimize the brain fog, and allow you to move forward while minimizing some of that stress. So again, if you look at what we put in this, I love the grapefruit. The coriander is just such a great cardiovascular. What a great essential oil. Pink pepper, black pepper, ginger, clove, and cinnamon bark. So it's those spices that help us emotionally begin to move forward in our lives. That's some of the beauty of spices like cinnamon, like clove and ginger, because that warmth also creates movement in the lymphatic system. And when we have the correct flow in the lymphatic system, we just work better from a health standpoint. We're able to move better. That's the idea. Our immune system is stronger. And again, knowing those oils that are in this can be a great, wonderful antioxidant. So when you're applying that oil here, you're getting the aroma, so that aroma goes right in and starts to minimize those feelings of stress. But at the same time, ladies, if you're in the beginning of your cycle where estrogen is high, this can be great to the lower abdomen even. Now, it's not an oil, ladies, that I would use when you are just in the part of your cycle where you just don't want anybody to bother you, right? Just don't touch me. And basically that's, Dr. Mindy talks about that as basically day 20 through bleed. But this is not the oil you'd use for that. You would use an oil called I Am Still, where it just helps to calm the body and put you in a state of safety. This is the oil you want when you just want to move forward, you just want to go. And it's the same for guys as it would be for ladies. It's going to be the same effect on the mind because of the stimulating oils found within it. But again, found as one of our favorite aromas by so many of our customers. I wanted to share you just two ways that we could use that, right? On the lymph system here, and you can also, ladies, put on your lower abdomen, or you can just neck and shoulders, and even on the spine. If you wanted to roll this on the spine, this could be really good as just a powerful and wonderful antioxidant to help the central nervous system, body as a whole. So these are just a few ways that you could look at I Am Strong and know that it's not just ladies for the time when your estrogen is going high, or guys don't think it's just for ladies and their cycle. That's not true at all. But this is to help you break through emotionally and work through any challenges or barriers that you may have while providing a cellular and antioxidant essential oil. So guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below, and it's always great to talk to you.